Welcome back to day 9 of our 21-day confidence building challenge with Next Level You. Today we're focusing on assertiveness training, a vital skill that enables us to express our thoughts, needs, and feelings in a confident and respectful manner. Assertiveness is the balance between passive and aggressive behavior, allowing us to stand up for ourselves while still showing respect for others. It involves clear, honest, and direct communication, making sure we're heard without disregarding the feelings of others. Understanding the difference between assertiveness and other behaviors is crucial. Aggressive behavior violates others' rights. Passive behavior overlooks our own rights. And passive-aggressive behavior is an indirect way of expressing negative feelings. Recognizing these behaviors is the first step toward becoming more assertive. The foundation of assertiveness is built on several key components. Using I statements allows us to own our feelings and thoughts without placing blame on others. For instance, saying I feel overlooked when my ideas aren't considered in meetings directly expresses your feelings without making accusations. Expressing our needs clearly is also essential. Rather than expecting others to guess what we want, we should state our needs directly, such as I need some uninterrupted time to finish this project. Active listening is another critical aspect of assertiveness, indicating that we understand the other person's viewpoint without necessarily agreeing with it. To develop your assertiveness skills, we've outlined some practical exercises. Role-playing with a friend or colleague can be incredibly useful. Practice scenarios where you need to be assertive, like asking for a raise or setting personal boundaries. This not only prepares you for real-life situations, but also boosts your confidence in handling them. Another helpful exercise is practicing I need statements. Write down occasions where you felt unable to express your needs. Then rewrite these instances with clear I need statements. Reflecting on how asserting your needs could have altered the outcome can offer valuable insights. Active listening drills are also beneficial for fostering assertiveness. Engage in a conversation with someone on a topic where you have differing opinions, and practice summarizing their points before responding with your own. This promotes mutual respect and understanding, even in the midst of disagreement. Overcoming barriers to assertiveness, such as the fear of conflict or concern about harming relationships, is also vital. It's important to remember that assertiveness is rooted in respect for ourselves and others. It's not about winning an argument, but about expressing our truth. Reflect on past conflicts and consider whether they truly harmed your relationships or led to greater understanding and respect. This reflection can be very liberating. Practicing assertiveness can significantly enhance your communication skills and improve your relationships while boosting your self-respect. It might feel awkward initially, but like any skill, it becomes more natural over time. Take time to reflect on your assertiveness journey, celebrate your successes, and incorporate these practices into your daily interactions. Thank you for joining me today on this empowering step towards becoming more assertive in our 21-day confidence building challenge. Your commitment to mastering assertiveness is a testament to your dedication to personal growth. Today's exploration into assertiveness training equips us with the tools to express our needs, opinions, and feelings confidently and respectfully, paving the way for healthier communication and stronger relationships. As we continue on this journey together, remember that these skills are building blocks towards a more confident and expressive you. I encourage you to practice the exercises shared today, reflect on your progress, and embrace each opportunity to assert yourself in daily life. Your experiences and insights are invaluable, so please share your journey with us in the comments below. Engage with our community using #NextLevelYouChallenge. And let's grow together in confidence and self-expression. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that supports your journey to self-improvement. Your engagement helps us reach and inspire more individuals like you, committed to making positive changes in their lives. Looking ahead, get ready for day 10. Public speaking tips. In our next session, we'll delve into the art of public speaking, offering basic tips to improve self-expression and reduce anxiety. Whether you're speaking in a meeting, at an event, or even in social settings, these tips will help you communicate more effectively and with greater confidence. Thank you for being a part of this transformative journey. Your progress and engagement are what make this challenge so rewarding. Together, we're building a foundation of skills that will serve us well beyond these 21 days. See you tomorrow for day 10, where we'll unlock the secrets to captivating and confident public speaking. Keep practicing, stay engaged, and remember, we're in this together, every step of the way.